Money is important. We need it to live. We use it to buy food, clothes, and a place to live. When we manage our money well, life is less stressful. We can worry less about bills. We can plan for the future. Learning about money is important for everyone. It doesn't matter how much money you have. What matters is what you do with it. This essay will teach you how to take control of your money. You'll learn simple steps to improve your finances. You can achieve your financial goals with a little effort. Rich people often get richer because they pay attention to their money. They know where their money is going. They track their spending. They make a plan for their money. This plan is called a budget. When you pay attention to your money, you make better choices. You can avoid wasting money. You can save more. You can invest and grow your wealth. Ignoring your finances leads to problems. It's like driving a car with your eyes closed. You might crash. Paying attention keeps you on the right track. A budget is a plan for your money. It tells your money where to go. It helps you track your income and expenses. Income is the money you earn. Expenses are the things you spend money on. Start by writing down all your sources of income. Then list all your expenses. Include everything: rent, groceries, transportation, and entertainment. Once you have your budget, stick to it. This helps you avoid overspending. A budget is your roadmap to financial success. Investing means putting your money to work for you. Instead of sitting in a bank account, investments can grow over time. It's like planting a tree. You put a small seed in the ground and it grows into something much larger. There are many ways to invest. You can invest in stocks, bonds, or real estate. You can also invest in yourself by learning new skills. Investing helps you build wealth for the future. Section 5. Living below your means. Spending less than you earn. Living below your means is simple. It means spending less money than you earn. This may seem difficult, but it's essential for financial success. When you live below your means, you have more money to save and invest. You're also less likely to go into debt. Debt can trap you in a cycle of owing money. Focus on needs versus wants. Needs are things you must have to survive, like food and shelter. Wants are things you'd like to have but don't need, like a new phone or designer clothes. Section 6. The downside of debt, how it holds you back. Debt is like a heavy weight holding you back. It can prevent you from achieving your financial goals. There are many types of debt, like credit card debt, student loans, and mortgages. High interest debt, like credit card debt, is the worst kind. The interest rates on these debts are very high. This means you end up paying back much more than you borrowed. Avoid debt whenever possible. If you have debt, make a plan to pay it off as quickly as possible. The sooner you get rid of debt, the sooner you can start building wealth. Section 7. Financial education, your key to success. The more you know about money, the better you can manage it. Financial education is crucial for everyone. There are many resources available to help you learn. You can read books, listen to podcasts, or take online courses. You can also talk to a financial advisor. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become in managing your money. Section 8, Small Steps, Big Results. You can do it. Improving your finances doesn't require drastic changes overnight. Start by taking small steps. Create a budget, track your spending, and try to save a little each month. As you make progress, you'll be motivated to do more. Remember, even small changes can have a big impact over time. You can achieve your financial goals with consistency and determination. Section 9, Conclusion. Take control of your money and your future. Managing your money doesn't have to be complicated. By understanding the basic principles of budgeting, saving, investing, and avoiding debt, you can take control of your finances and build a brighter future. Remember, financial success is a journey, not a destination. There will be bumps along the way, but don't get discouraged. Keep learning, keep growing, and never give up on your dreams. You can do it. What's your biggest financial goal for the next year? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.